Tomorrow we're going to work on our order of operations, so here's a quick summary of what that's about. Order of operations is defined as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A addition, and S subtraction. The multiplication and the division are equivalent to one another, so they work from left to right. Whatever comes first in the equation is the one that you handle first. That's why they have the parentheses here around them. And the same thing goes for addition and subtraction. A good way to remember PEMDAS is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Here we have a parentheses problem. So we have 5 equals 2 plus parentheses 1 plus 2. So the next step in solving this would be adding the 1 and the 2 inside of the parentheses, which we know equals a 3. And then after we add the 2 plus the 3, we've got 5 equals 5. That is a true solution. Next comes exponents. So here we've got 3 to the third power, and we know that's the same thing as 3 times itself 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 again, that's 27. And then next in line comes multiplication and division. Remember, these two are on the same plane, so when you're working through a problem, you just follow left to right. Whichever order it comes in is the order you solve it. Don't worry about picking out one before the other. So we'll start left to right here. We got 4 times 4. We know that's 16. And then we've got 10 divided by 2.5, which is 4. And last but not least is the A and the S in PEMDAS. That's addition and subtraction. And those are on the same level, just the same way that multiplication and division are. So you just work the problem left to right. Whichever comes first is the first one you handle. We'll start left to right here. We got 17 plus 3, which is 20. And then 15 plus 25, which is 40. Alright, now that we learned all that, we're going to try and solve this problem here that's got a little bit of everything in it. So, looking at this problem, we'll start with the P, and I got some parentheses right here. And if we solve inside of the parentheses, it's 7 minus 4 is 3. So, we'll go ahead and rewrite the problem with a 3 inside there. So we got 8 over 4 times 3 to the second power plus 4. Now the next step in PEMDAS is E, the exponent. And so we're going to have to solve this 3 to the second power here. And like we talked about earlier, that means 3 times 3, which is 9. So we're going to do 8 over 4 times 9. Plus 4. Alright, looks like we're going to have to move to the other page here. So you'd be able to solve the 8 over 4 and that times 9 in the same step if you're comfortable with your multiplication and division. But if not, I'm just going to go ahead and write it out. You would just go ahead and go left to right like we talked about earlier since they're on the same. So first we're going to solve this 8 over 4 here. And that equals 2, because we know that 4 goes into 8 2 times. That's a 2 there. Now we've got 2 times 9. That's 18. And we got this plus 4 still on the end here. So we've got 18 plus 4. And that's 22. So there you go. Quick PEMDAS summary. So I hope that was useful. We'll see you tomorrow.